Have you ever felt that creepy, crawly feeling inside of a hotel when you were sleeping in a hotel and dealt with some sort of bug bite, bed bugs bites, scabies, and thought, hey, do I have a case here? I'm gonna dive into that today. Before I dive into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along where I will make sure your future injury case is protected. Let's get into it. Today we're gonna dive into, do you have a personal injury case if you were bit by bed bugs in a hotel? The answer is yes. This is exactly how you can proceed with your personal injury case if you were bit by bed bugs in a hotel. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you're out on vacation and you are staying at a hotel, a Super 8, a Best Western, some sort of hotel chain. And you wake up in the middle of the night and there's blood on your sheets because you were just bit by bed bugs. What happens next? My strong suggestion to you is go to the doctor as soon as possible. Make sure that they say the words bed bugs inside of your medical records. If they do, you are immediately protecting your opportunity at having a personal injury case. Can you take legal action if you were bit by bed bugs? The answer is yes. It does vary state by state on exactly how much your case is worth, how you would proceed with that, whether you would need to sue or not. But the answer is yes, you can definitely have a personal injury case if you were hurt and not at fault by bed bugs. Typically, these cases come down to two things. One, were you bit and can you prove you were bit by going to the doctor? And two, do you have scarring is a really important part to the value of your case. If you don't have scarring, but you did go to the doctor, you may still have a case. It just may be worth less than someone that has severe scarring from these bed bugs. If you were bit by bed bugs, a lot of the case comes down to, can you prove that you actually stayed there? Make sure to save your receipt. If you paid with cash, save your receipt in general, because if you paid with cash and you can't find your receipt, there may be an argument that you did not stay at that hotel. Don't give the insurance company an opportunity to take your case away because you simply can't prove that you were there. Next, like I said before, go to the doctor. If you can't prove that you got treatment for these bed bugs and see the words bed bugs inside of your medical records, you have as much as 2 months after the bed bug bite occurred, can you go to the doctor's office and maybe still have a case. Go to the doctor, tell them what happened, and make sure that they put the words bed bugs in your medical records. Lastly, document everything. Take pictures of the bugs, take pictures of your sheets, take pictures and video of your entire room stay. You need to have these pictures to prove that you have a case or not in a lot of circumstances. If you're staying at a hotel that is notorious for having bed bugs, and you see on their Google reviews, their Yelp reviews, their Facebook reviews, people mentioning the words bed bugs, take screenshots of those reviews because that proves notice on behalf of the hotel. Finally, make sure you talk to a lawyer about this. My law firm actually does handle cases for bed bugs in specifically hotel instances. These are cases that can turn over much quicker than your typical personal injury case, and they are worth exploring hiring a personal injury lawyer. And just know, a personal injury lawyer is completely free unless they get you a settlement or a verdict in front of a jury. To sum it up, if you were bit by bed bugs in a hotel, you may have a serious case, especially if you had scarring issues from your bed bugs incident. Hire a lawyer, take care of it, and make sure that doesn't happen to somebody else in the future by putting that hotel on notice about what happened to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you were bit by bed bugs, feel free to ask questions in the comments and we can happily give you some answers or some guidance. But if you feel like you want to just directly message us and talk to us confidentially, that's totally fine too. There are members of my team ready to answer your questions confidentially. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see you next time.